Everyone, this is Frankie and Hurricane Steelworks, Diesel Tinland, and today I'm going to be telling you facts about my channel. I might even point out some unanswered questions that you might even be asking in comments that I haven't read. So, fact 1. The channel that got me into making videos was actually a channel called Donald 9 and Douglas 10. If you're watching this Donald 9 and Douglas 10, I hope you would put a comment, and I hope you're happy that I pointed out your channel. And also, that's not the only channel that made me interested in making a YouTube channel. There was Marvel B Crew. Wait, no. Leo King Videos. That one. That got me into YouTube as well as Donald Donald Douglas 10. Fact 2. So, if you've been asking, what is the point of Sword or Tails? Well, it's meant to be just Thomas. Entertain people that like Thomas. Or even just like trains. And I might even do a Saw and Seep series. I might make a custom Saw and Seep toys. And do a series about them. And I might even do some Avengers stuff. Fact 3. I am sort of thinking of renaming the new Diesel, Thomas and the Magic Railroad, the new Diesels, the Sword or Tails movie. I don't know. But the new Diesels is fine. I will be doing other movies after that. Not the only one. And fact 4. If you want to know how I do those editing videos like Thomas and Vinny and Full of Surprises model remake, I used an app called Video Maker, and I had to take lots of screenshots. I had to find lots of good things of Diesel, and lots of good things of Vinny, and lots of good things of Thomas to use. And fact 5, finally, this channel was made for kids and families. There was no bad words. You can watch toy videos, you can figure out facts about stuff, and soon you might be able to watch some Saw and Seep stuff, and Avengers. Don't worry, this isn't the only year I'm going to be Frankie and Hurricane Steelworks. Fact 6. This channel used to be named the Toy World Show Blacklights. And before the Toy World Show Blacklight, it was the Awesome Plus C, whatever, and a bunch of numbers. And thanks for watching. That was 6 facts about Frankie and Hurricane Steelworks. Little Tinland. Bye.